Every time when I open my computer, I get unwanted notifications and I want to stop it. In this video, we are going to stop unwanted notifications from Google Chrome. So we can turn off. So just open your Google Chrome and at the top right corner, click on these three dots and then click on settings. Now, once you're here in settings, at the left hand side, we have this security and privacy. Now, once you're here, scroll down and look for site settings. Here, scroll down again. Here you have this notification option. You will have not allowed to send notifications, allowed to send notifications. So from here, whichever is allowed, you can simply click on these three dots next to it and click on block. And if you want to unblock any website to send you notifications, you can simply click on these three dots and you can click on allow. So in this manner, you can turn on and turn off the notifications in Google Chrome. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.